Hello, my name is Omar Lima. Today we're here at Functional Core Fitness and we're going to talk about the heel slides. We're going to cover another core exercise. We're going to focus on the lower abdominals, the portion of the abdominals. If released while doing a core exercise or exercise in general, it will shift our pelvis in the wrong direction. It will take us out of the neutral alignment. So the heel slides is a great exercise to really understand how to stabilize the lower abdominals, which then stabilize the hips. Okay? So if you notice on the floor, there is a towel, and that towel is going to be positioned in my lower back. And what that towel is going to reveal or indicate is if I'm stabilizing my abdominals or my core in the proper way, not just the proper way, but throughout the whole exercise. So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right. So as I have a seat, okay, I'm positioning myself so that the towel is on my lower back. Now, if I arch my back, and I really don't stabilize through my abdominals, I would be able to pull the towel. And you can see that the towel slides. Now, when I'm performing my movement, I want to make sure that I drive my spine into the floor. And as I drive my spine into the floor, I'm actually compressing or squeezing my abdominals at the same time. Now let's reach for the towel again, and now that my abdominals are in the right position or activated and my core is in the right position, I no longer can move the towel. That's what the towel is indicating, if I'm stabilizing correctly. Now the movement, now that I have my upper body in a stabilized position, I'm gonna use one leg to slide. My heel's on the floor, and I'm gonna slide my leg out. I'm going to keep my toes up off the floor, and I'm going to slide my heel back. Now, what I'm looking for is if I'm stabilizing through my abdominals and I move my leg, right? Am I still activating in my abdominals without allowing the towel to slide? So if I'm performing my movement or my heel slide, I should be able to maintain my abdominals activated while I'm attempting to pull the towel out from my back, right? So now this is how to do the movement correctly, is by driving my spine into the floor with no ability of the towel to move. Now, if I were sliding and not activating, now I can pull the towel, which then means that my back is arching, which then means that my abdominals disengage. So as I'm sliding, I'm engaging, slow movement. And now I'm going to retest the towel. I'm tugging. Nothing is allowing it to being pulled, which is good. All right, I want to make sure that if I do one side, can I do the other side and maintain stability throughout the whole movement. Now, as my leg extends, right? We have a natural arch in our lumbar spine. So if I lie on my back with my legs straight, my towel has the ability to move. So the challenge to this exercise, the biggest challenge is going to be maintaining activation while I extend my leg. The extension of the leg is the hardest part to maintain activation. So only go as far as you can until the towel moves. Once I find out where the towel moves, then that's where my range of motion is. Okay? Until I slowly progress more and more, where I'm able to move more and more without the towel moving. Now the breathing is important. I want to make sure that when I'm pulling my leg in, I exhale. I inhale as I extend my leg, maintain activation, and exhale as I pull my heel back. So that is how we do heel slides. I hope that was informative, and we will see you next week.